Welcome to Vital Links Technology, where innovation meets precision in PCB manufacturing. As leaders in advanced PCB solutions, we empower partnerships that drive the future of electronics manufacturing. With a commitment to excellence, we offer one-stop solutions for a wide range of advanced PCB production, catering to the global electronics manufacturing industry. Our focus: advanced printed circuit boards designed to meet the evolving needs of our partners. Whether it's design, fabrication, or service, we ensure quality at every step, enabling our partners to excel in their fields. Now we're excited to announce our expansion into the USA and Europe with a special focus on Switzerland and Germany. We're looking for partners who are as passionate about technology as we are, partners who understand the value of advanced PCBs and have the network to drive growth. Join us at Vital Links Technology. Together, let's shape the future of electronics manufacturing, forging partnerships that last and innovate. Your success is our mission. Let's achieve it together.